Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Crypto Park channel, and today I am going to talk about Chakra Labs Airdrop. Before that, if you're new to this channel, please follow my Telegram channel for more airdrops and airdrop-related updates. Also, visit my website cryptopark.xyz. You will find the links in the description below. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into it. Chakra Labs launched their browser extension node, which is called Chakra Scout. For running the node in your browser, you will earn points. These points will be potentially used for your future airdrop. Remember that this node can read data from some of the websites you visit, like X, YouTube, LinkedIn. They can collect data from these websites and use it for data mapping. Also, this node can read your browsing history, so if you are concerned about your privacy and security, you can skip this airdrop. Now let's talk about how you can participate in the Chakra Labs airdrop. First, visit the Chakra Labs portal link, which I provided in the description below. Then you will see an interface like this. Click on the Install button to install Chakra Scout extension. It will open the Chrome Web Store. From here, you can install the extension in any Chromium-based web browsers. I will install it on Brave browser. Here you can see the list of the websites it can read data from. I'll just install the extension. After installing the extension, open it and click on Get Started button. It will now ask you to log in. You can use Google account or your email or GitHub account. I will log in with my Google account. Then this page will be displayed. It's not your dashboard, but it's a panel for global node usage details. Now, if you click on the extension, you will see it's connected. So if you don't have any privacy concerns, then start collecting points and wait for the announcement regarding TGE and distribution. That's it guys for today. Please don't forget to follow my Telegram channel for airdrops and airdrop-related updates. Also, please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much guys. Bye-bye. See you soon.